Yeah, it's definitely fucking cat. This is crazy.
Damn. Bro, that's more than a hand. That's crazy.
Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we have the first modification that we're putting on the Accord. As mentioned in the previous video, in the first video, the reveal of the car, we have an 02 Accord. Today marks the first day that we're going to be throwing on our first modification. So that's what today's video is. It's going to be a vlog style. And of course, for our first modification, we're going to be putting on some new wheels. Well, new to me. We found some wheels on Facebook Marketplace. The caveat is we're going to be driving to Oklahoma City. Specifically to everyone, I live in the DFW area, Dallas, Fort Worth, in Texas. Oklahoma is of course a state above us. The person being just outside of Oklahoma City, it's about a 4-hour drive. This is happening tomorrow morning. It is currently 3:44, so this is happening this morning. We're going to be leaving at 8 in the morning to try and get there by noon. Again, like I said, it's almost 4 in the morning here. I just wanted to film a quick overview on what we're doing in today's video. I'm going to catch some sleep. I'm fucking tired. I've pretty much been non-stop editing the first video of this series of modding the Accord. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and go watch it. I'm going to go ahead and catch some sleep with the 4 hours that I'm going to get, and I will see you guys in the morning.
Morning, guys. It is currently 7:46. I'm about to get ready. I'm trying to hit the road within the next 15 minutes. But I'm tired. But alright. I'm gonna go ahead and get up and yeah, we're gonna try and be on the road in the next 15 minutes. Alright guys, as mentioned, we just got ready. It is now 7:56. Oh shit. It is now 7:56. Yeah, traffic seems to be flowing already. Gotta love that. Good thing it's Oklahoma, so pretty much the entire drive there's gonna be no traffic. It's gonna be pretty smooth. So go ahead and get a cold start on the car and shoot you some updates while we're on the way there. Let's get it. In the car now. Currently it is saying that it's about 4 hours on the dot. We'll be there right at 12. So yeah, let's go ahead and start heading that way. It's gonna be a little bit of a drive. Again, it's early in the morning, 8 o'clock now. Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. All right, let's go ahead and start heading that way. Alright, so we currently only have about an hour and 10 minutes left on the drive. It's been a pretty smooth drive so far. We've had rain kind of going on and off on our way here to Oklahoma. We're cruising at a solid 80 miles an hour right now. We've actually cut off some time. Our ETA was supposed to be at noon, and our estimated arrival is about 11:46. Sorry if the car is droning quite a bit. Again, I am moving pretty quick, so so yeah, we'll shoot you an update. Maybe we'll stop for gas either shortly before we get there or maybe on our way back. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and keep on going. Hopefully I'll be able to meet up with this guy a little bit before noon and see if we can pick up the wheels. Yeah, literally as I'm just talking about rain coming on and off. Here we go, got some more hitting the windshield. Telling you, it's just been like this the whole time. It'll be clear for about 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Rain will come for like 10, 15, and then reset. It's been doing this literally the entire drive. It was a little bit stronger at first, but now it seems to have chilled out. So far, so good. Just a little bit of rain here and there. Alright guys, we finally made it. Made it just outside of Tulsa.
Oklahoma. We just stopped by the bank. There's a bank right down the street from the address that the guy gave me to meet him at. We just got some cash. We're currently headed to him right now. We will be there in about 2 minutes. We'll go ahead and pick up the wheels, toss them in the back, give you a little sneak peek of what we got, head back to Texas, and then go ahead and start prepping to get the wheels on the car. All right, guys, bag is secured, or more so, I should say, wheels are secured. Here's the little sneak peek, what y'all get. This is a little bit of white back there. So yeah, wheels are secured. We are gonna fucking get some gas. We are gonna find some food. I'm fucking hungry. I still haven't eaten this morning. We're gonna definitely stop to get some food, check out a little bit of Tulsa, see what's up over here before we head on back. You guys already know, I had to pull up to the spot. We about to munch for real. We about to crush that shit. So hungry. Perfect, thank you very much. You as well. All right, guys, we've made it about 30-35 minutes outside of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Currently headed on our way back. I did take a quick stop here, had to use the restroom, but holy fuck, I'm like low-key tired. Not even like sleepy tired, just like tired of sitting tired. 8-hour round trip is, you know, not really made for me. I don't mind driving, but no, yeah, just doing it round trip, like without a break or anything, definitely a little tiring. So we're gonna go ahead and sit here for a minute, maybe go inside, use the restroom, finish eating my canes, and then yeah, we're gonna get back on the road. All right, guys, we finally made it home. It is currently, as you can see right here, 8:55 p.m. Mind you, we left at 8 in the morning. We drove there, got there at noon, picked up the wheels, and started heading back. I did take a little bit of a detour on the way home. I had a relative that lives basically on the way back home, and I hit him up, just wanted to see how he was doing, and so I made a pit stop. Plus, I low-key needed the break from all that driving. My back was starting to kill me. My butt was hurting. I needed to get away from the road for at least a little bit, at least an hour or two. And so yeah, I just hung out with my cousin. Shout out my boy Andy if you're watching. But yeah, we're home now. Again, it's 8:55. We still got the package secured in the back. Don't mind the trash and everything, but package is still secured. We're gonna go ahead and move the car over to the garage. We're gonna get the wheels out, possibly get them prepped for putting them on, but we're not gonna put them on tonight. I have some lug nuts that I need that are coming in. The stock ones that I have are gonna be way too fat and they're not gonna fit on these wheels. Again, we went ahead and already ordered some lug nuts. They'll be here early in the morning. Once those lug nuts come in, we'll finally be able to get the wheels on, and then we'll be able to give you a final reveal. Yeah, let's go ahead and get these wheels out of the car. All right, guys, we got the wheels out of the car. They are currently now in the garage. Motegi Racing. Definitely excited to finally get these on the car. So yeah, guys, in terms of today, this is all that I'm gonna do. Again, we have the lug nuts coming in tomorrow, and then I also bought some hub rings just in case I'm gonna need them. I don't think I will, but again, I got them just in case. So we're gonna go ahead and start getting ready for bed. Again, it's already 9 something, 9:15, 9:20. I am tired, I've been on the road all day. I just got home, I'm hungry, so I got some food inside I'm gonna eat. We're gonna go ahead and see if those lug nuts can get here early in the morning, and yeah, we'll be able to throw these on and give you the final reveal of them on the car. Good morning, guys, it's the next morning. The lug nuts and the hub rings are both in. We're gonna go ahead and grab them, but we're gonna bother the boy Casey first and see if he wants to help us get on the wheels. Nah.
How's it going?
What's up?
What you want?
It's like suited all on your face. What is it?
Alright, I'm gonna guess it's a cow. Yeah, it's definitely a fucking cow.
Put it on. That's a onesie. Bruh.
I think that's like the biggest fuck too.
That shit might fit me.
Oh, it's extra large.
Oh yeah, it might fit me.
Get the light out the way.
So I'm gonna fucking walk by and see you put this shit on. How the fuck do you put a onesie on?
I don't know. Through the head, I guess, and then button it up. Oh, I thought it had like sock feet. That'd be pretty cool, actually. You got a sagging tummy.
It's kind of comfortable though.
Bro found his new thing to sleep with. Bro, your fucking knees. Oh my god. The
This is crazy, dude.
Nah, bro, that's hilarious, dude.
You got some others on me.
Bro, every time you fucking put your head down, it like looks at me.
Just got a 5.
Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, you got a tail!
Oh my god.
Bro's a tail, bro's a cow.
This thing's crazy. How did we not see this before?
I don't know. Okay guys, so we just picked up the 2 packages. These are the hub rings. Again, not sure if we're gonna need them, but we got them. And then right here, we got our lug nuts. We got the wheels right over here. We're gonna go ahead and set it up. Another big reason why I kind of decided that I wanted to get wheels first, or why I got wheels first, is this little inconvenience right here. The good old tire just decided it wanted to shit itself. It was already an old tire, it didn't really have much left. A lot of the edges are already like cracking, but I just hoped it would have lasted a little bit longer, but oh well. One bad thing I guess can lead to a good thing, and yeah, we got new wheels, so again, we're gonna go ahead, start jacking up the car, get these wheels on, so let's do it. Another thing that I wanted to show real quickly too. Look at this, bro. It's literally a fucking screw just on the thing. It's not even a lug nut. And then this one's broken and cracked, so love that. That's one of the main reasons why I needed these lug nuts. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get these wheels on. Another thing causing that shaking, bro, look at that. Damn. Oh my god, even down here too, look at this. Ugh, poke that out a little bit, look at that. That's crazy. So you can go that way. Oh shit, don't fall. Damn. Yeah, dude, that looks sick. That looks good. But holy shit, we need some fucking coilovers. God damn, bro. That's crazy. Dude, the wheels are looking sick so far. I just got that back one on just like y'all saw. It's looking great, but of course our big problem now sits right here. Bro, that's more than a hand. That's crazy. So yeah, I definitely think next step is gonna be coilovers. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and get all the other 3 on. After we get them on, we're gonna go scoop up my boy Walter. He's working right now. He needs a ride, so we'll go ahead. Why not? Go pick him up in the Accord and get his reaction. Hell yeah! Quick first look at the car. Shit actually looks pretty good. That shit looks really good. Alright guys, we're pulling up with my boy Walter. Say what's up to DDF4. Aw shit, there he is. Yeah? What's up, bro?
Yes, sir. Clean the wheels too.
Bro, what the fuck? Did you do motherfucking cut on you on?
Yeah, bro. But yeah, I don't mind it at all.
Shape?
Huh?
Starting to take shape?
Yes, sir. The next time I'll fix is that fucking wheel gap, bro. Look at that. It went down a little bit, like when I first put it down. No, for real, dude. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Hell yeah, hell yeah. All right, guys. The first mod of the O2 Accord has finally been added on. I think the wheels look great. It's definitely a start for the channel, and I really am excited for, you know, what the future holds. Next step, I don't quite know. Leave it down in the comments what specifically it is you want to see next on the car, whether it be headlights, taillights, suspension. I think suspension might be a good place to start, but you never know. I definitely want to hear what you guys have to say. But yeah, guys, that does it for this video. This is the first cosmetic mod that we've done to the Accord. We're gonna roll the cinematics and we'll catch you in the next one.